In this new era of healthcare, it's not about overpromising or revolutionizing. Better care starts with humans at the center, equipped for the journey ahead. We are Altera Digital Health. Every provider and every staff member has their own vision. And to help them reach the summit of what healthcare can be, we provide the tools and technology that help them work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. Our success is measured only by the outcomes we help achieve. Through innovative healthcare IT solutions, our work leads us to your success. And it is this work that inspires us to be better every day. To further our commitment, we're integrating artificial intelligence. We are not using AI to replace the roles caregivers play in a patient's health journey, but instead to extend their reach. Because for us, it's not just about better outcomes. It's about more human ones. Together with caregivers around the globe, we are bringing next-level healthcare within reach.